Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. So today we are going to talk about 4 more saving tips, and at the end of this video I've got a question that I would like to ask all you guys. Another way you can save some money is by not throwing things away. Now, a way around that is to see what is it you've got in your fridge that you can buy frozen. Because there's a lot of times when we go to the shops and we feel we're in the mood and we buy something fresh and we end up putting it in the freezer, forgetting about it and not using it, and end up having to throw it away because it wasn't used in time. So a great way to get around it is having a look at what can you buy that is you can buy as frozen. Like, I like to have my smoothies in the summer times to help me with my weight loss, because every summer I tend to want to try and lose weight, to have that beach body that we all like to do. So I always make sure that I buy frozen fruit instead of fresh fruit for those smoothies, because it depends on the weather. In the UK you can have a nice week where you really enjoy having your smoothies, and you can sometimes have, these weeks where it's horrible and cold and you don't really feel in the mood for it. So I always ensure that I buy frozen so that it's always ready for when I want it. And if I'm not really in the mood, I don't have to worry about the waste. Another great way to save some money is to have a look at your company benefits. A lot of companies sometimes, I know in the UK definitely, offers you discount vouchers on high street shops. So you can use those to get anything you need in the house, or maybe it's starting of a new school term and you need some help with discount on school clothes and anything they need for school. So that's definitely a way to have a look at what other savings you can make, because each company has their own high streets they go for or company they use for those vouchers. So you can get discounts anything from TV, school clothes or your food shop. So just have a look at what your company offers. If you're getting value so far, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Another great way to save a bit of money is shopping. Now, all of us like shopping, or most of us, most of the time. Now, you get that saying of money burning a hole in your pocket. Now, I know with a lot of people that tends to happen when you're in the shops. You see something, you think, oh, that would look nice, or you like something and you buy it because you have instant gratification. But when you get home, it was just a waste of money. You don't use it anymore. You end up putting it somewhere and it just gathers dust and end up back in a charity shop. So when you're on the shops, make sure you think about what you are buying and do you actually need it? Think, does it have a purpose? That way you can save money by not spending money unnecessarily on things you don't actually need. Another great way to save a bit of money, especially if you would like that romantic evening for you and your husband or you and your partner, is looking at which friends do you have in the area, and do your kids have any friends that they like to have sleepovers with. And maybe organize with the parents for your kids to have a sleepover for them, so you can have your date night, and in return you have their kids sleeping over at yours, so that they can have their date night or their romantic evenings as well. So that saves you a lot of money on babysitting or childcare for that evening. I would like to ask you guys a big favor. I want to have your input on one of my future videos. Now, the question I've got is, what do you define as being wealthy? There's so many different opinions out there of what it means to be wealthy. I would like the input of you, my viewers and my subscribers, as I'm going to make a video in the future and I would like to discuss this topic with you, but I would like your input and seeing what is your thoughts and what do you think it means to be wealthy. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to give me a call if you'd like to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.